In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Spaceship domains to Hostinger hosting. So if you've got a hosting plan on Hostinger and you want to now connect a domain that you may have bought elsewhere, perhaps on Spaceship, to Hostinger, then this video will show you how to do it. So once you're on Hostinger, go to My Account in the top right-hand corner. That will then take you inside of hPanel. And like I said, we need a hosting plan. So I already have business website hosting, which means I can add more than one website here to the hosting plan. So then we want to go to websites, and that will then take us to the website list. And here you can see your hosting plan. Now what you need to do is click add website in the top right hand corner, and then choose how you want to build this website. For most of you, you probably want WordPress, so I'm going to choose that. You then go through the process of installing WordPress. So it's going to ask you here for an email and a password. This is standard WordPress installation. So enter in this. You're going to use these details to log into your website later. You can then choose how you want to build your site. I'm just going to pre-build from a theme. Use a theme instead. Again, this is all personal preference, which you can change later. Now we'll get to this window where we can enter in our domain. So on Spaceship, you need to find the domain. Once you're logged in, go all products, then go domain, domain manager, and then from here, you'll see a list of your domains. Click on the one that you want to connect. Now make sure that you've got no connections currently. So if I click on connections, you can see we've got a URL redirect currently on, which we're going to go ahead and remove. So now let's copy our domain name and we'll just paste it into Hostinger. Howtoknowledgebase.com is then going to ask us, do we own this domain? Yes, we do. So we can click on that. And then we can click on next. Now it will install WordPress, and what we're going to have to do also on the back end, once this is installed, is just prove that we actually own the domain and verify it. So once WordPress has installed, I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so now we've got WordPress installed. Now what we need to do is set up the domain. You can do it here by clicking on manage. All it's going to do is take you back to Hostinger, so you can either open a new tab and do that manually as well. Now, what we need to do is we need to go ahead and connect and verify the domain. So if you don't know and you're a bit lost about where we are now, we're in websites, and then you choose the domain name here. So this is your website that you've just added. And then what we can do is we can go to check guide, and we need to update the name servers. So you need to copy the first name server, then go into Spaceship, and you need to go ahead and update it. So go to name servers and DNS, then click on change custom name servers, paste in name server number 1, copy name server number 2 from Hostinger and paste it in here. Then click save, and that has now updated, and it can take up to 48 hours to go into effect. But essentially now you've set it up, you can accept this, click finish, and then there you go. If you change your DNS records, your domain will be connected soon, and you'll get an email once it is connected. So this can take between 24 and 48 hours, but if you do those things, you'll have everything connected, and then you can go back into WordPress, change your name, change the theme, and start building your site. So thank you for watching. I hope that helped.